I'm right there with you, Patrick. Feeling slow this morning.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, Dad. I'm at work right now, but what's up?
Listen, I'm trying to make a cup of coffee on this new machine you got me, and I could use some help.
It's simple, Dad, really. I got you. Yeah, that looks good. You got it plugged in, though, right?
It's plugged in.
Okay, don't forget to add the coffee beans.
Oh, look at that. Touchscreen.
Now, you see that lever on the left? That's gonna auto grind and tamp in the coffee grounds. Yeah, you're doing great, Dad. Don't worry. Yeah, I can tell you're tired, Dad. You might want to make a double shot.
That looks good. But it needs something a little extra. Check it out, huh?
I told you it was easy.
Cheers.